Mark McCormack via a 1983 book, which I reached out to him via postal mail. Who uses a Sharpie to reach out to VIPs? I do. I can't tell you how. Okay, forget about the Sharpie. EUTWMPPM, or the initials for Engineer Up a Tidal Wave of Momentum Perpetual Promotion Machine. Hashtag EUTWMPPM. You'd be scared that I could just rifle off that horrendous acronym. Mark McCormack, okay, the guy who started IMG, the guy who hosted me at New York Fashion Week. It's where like a bunch of hot models hang out and do distribution, where Mark McCormack makes money while he makes money. Have you ever heard me say that before? You have. EUTWMPPM works great because you are initially doing a small dose of work that becomes more seeming work. You're just getting momentum off of previous stuff. Everyone thinks that I'm a one-trick pony with Duck 9. Duck 9 is initially hard work, but then later you get like, oh, this just fell out of my butt, thin file analysis. Oh, I pooped out another gem, okay, it's called cell phone number underwriting. Oh, do you know about a company that I'm a non-employee co-founder of that does caller ID for email? Exited for over $400 million to Axiom. Is this Scout's honor? Caller ID for email. It's cell phone number underwriting, but for email addresses, okay? You start pooping out winners, okay? But the initial thing that I did was helping with the rote, basic, rudimentary thing of helping a sorority girl with her freaking credit card score FICO. Her FICO score. It was so difficult at first. But once I did that, it started just pooping rainbows. That's what EUTWMPPM is. That's what signing up people for an Eventbrite event, okay? You don't need money for these things. You just need the guacamole recipe number 4, which is how to host on Eventbrite to get VIPs to maybe show up for your event.